Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sasha here. If you're new, welcome. It's my first video of 2020, so I'm really excited to be filming today. And one of my goals for 2020 is to actually be more efficient with my time. So in today's video, I came up with a 5-minute makeup routine for when you're running late. I have those mornings way too often where I need to be out the door ASAP, and I just want to look fresh, awake. I just want to look like I had 8 hours of sleep. So this is actually the look that I came up with in under 5 minutes. So if you guys are interested in this routine, then keep on watching. All right, guys, so I have my phone here and we're going to go ahead and start. Okay, so I'm going to skip the foundation because honestly, I do not have time for that. And I'm just going to use this Too Faced concealer mainly in the center portion of my face because that's where I need the most coverage. And then just anywhere where I have like acne scars. And then to blend everything out, I'm going to use this Too Faced, wait, no, that was a concealer. This is the IT Cosmetics foundation brush. And I love this because as you can see, it blends super fast. And when you're in a rush, you do not have time to use a beauty blender because you're going to have to run to the sink, wash the sponge, and do all that. But this sponge is, not sponge. Wow, I can't talk. This brush is amazing. It's my absolute favorite. And I'm also going to get my eyelids as well. So I feel like it's like an eyeshadow primer, which I'm going to show you guys what I use instead of actual eyeshadow. So next I'm going to go ahead and apply bronzer on my eyelids. I do this a lot. I love using bronzer as an eyeshadow and it just looks like you tried, even though it takes like 2 seconds. Maybe a little bit longer, but all right, and then eyeshadow is done. Could be a little bit more blended, but whatever. I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner, and I like to use an eyeshadow when I'm in a rush because it's pretty much foolproof. It's really hard to mess up, really easy to blend, and it just gets the job done. I always like to do like a little tiny cat eye. And right now I'm like really into brown eyeliners. Should be looking at the time right now, but I feel like it's gonna make me really nervous. Oh my god, 2 minutes. Do I have 2 minutes left or do I have, I'm really confused right now. Okay. Eyeliner done, and whew, I forgot to do my eyebrows. So when I'm in a rush, I actually use, you guys are gonna laugh at me, I use my mascara as my brow gel, and I don't recommend this for everyone. Like I said, I do this when I'm in a rush, and it's because I have naturally black hair, so it blends with my own natural hair pretty well. And then my brows are also really full, so it looks pretty natural, and it just makes my brows fluffier, like really fast. So brows are done, and then I'm going to move on to my mascara. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So I always have to curl my eyelashes. It's a must because my eyes are a little bit smaller, so it does make a huge difference for me. Okay, and then I'm going to use the same mascara that I just used for my eyebrows. Just apply a little bit of that. If I had time, I would do like multiple coats, but I'm only going to do one because that's all the time that I have. Okay, so now I'm going to dip into my bronzer, and I'm going to use the same bronzer that I just used on my eyes, and I love using a powder bronzer because, are we in focus right now? It's so easy to blend. And this is also an IT Cosmetics brush. Ah, getting hair on my face here. Okay, wow, where the heck does the time go? Okay, I have like 20 seconds left, less than that maybe. Putting on a little blush, and then gloss. I have 10 seconds left. Ah, wow, it's like not even on my lip. Okay, I'm gonna stop the timer. And we are at 4 minutes and 58 seconds. I want to talk about the products that I use really quickly. So for my complexion, I use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. And the reason why I chose this is because it's full coverage. It also has a pretty fat application brush. So when you're in a rush, you literally can just dot your face and then blend it out with your brush or whatever you want to use. So I do love this and I highly recommend it. It's a great concealer, foundation. You can use it to contour and get like a darker one. It's really a multi-use product. For my eyebrows, I used this Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I love the way this looks on me. Like I said, I don't recommend this for everybody, but if you have black hair, add a little bit of it. It does work. But yeah, mascara for my brows. And then for my eyeliner, I used a dark brown eyeshadow from this Jouer eyeshadow palette. And this is also my new thing right now, is using eyeshadow for my eyeliner. It's foolproof, so you can do it really quickly and you don't have to worry about it being even or anything like that. And then for my face products, I use this Becca face palette. So I have a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter in here. And when I'm in a rush, this is really useful because everything is all in one place and I don't have to sit and rummage through all my products. And then I used my Tweezerman eyelash curler. I use an eyelash curler every single day. And then to top it all off, I use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is my favorite lip gloss, and I highly recommend using glosses when you're in a rush because you really don't have to be precise with it. You can just put it on really quickly. You can do it as you're walking out the door, and it's a huge time saver. Now I want to share 3 tips with you guys for you to create your own 5-minute makeup routine. So tip number 1 is to choose products that are important to you. So if you're someone that really needs that mascara or you really need that concealer, really think about what is a priority to you and then base your product selections off of that. Tip number 2 is to just keep it simple. So you don't want to choose like 20 products because that's just not realistic and you are not going to complete your entire face in 5 minutes. I actually only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. That's including the eyelash curler, but 6 products. That's all I use. Kept it really simple. So tip number 3 is to practice. I actually practiced this routine before I recorded it because I really wanted to make sure that I was going to be able to do this in 5 minutes. If you guys have a little bit of time at home, actually try this. Choose your products, set a timer, and see what you can come up with in 5 minutes because on the days that you are running late, it is going to be really useful for you. You're already going to know in the back of your mind what products you need. You'll be more mindful of your time. So try this at home. It's actually pretty fun. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any tips yourself on how to minimize your makeup time, how to create a quick 5-minute, maybe even 10-minute makeup routine, let me know in the comments below. We can all kind of share tips. And yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you're subscribed so you can see more videos like this. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.